According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the United States will have a shortage of 1 million science, technology, engineering, and math professionals by 2025. A series of journal articles published in Nature show that diversity is integral to scientific productivity and innovation. If we want the U.S. to maintain a competitive advantage in science and technology, we must get more women of color into STEM and engineering careers. However, in 2013, out of all of the bachelor's degrees awarded in STEM fields in the United States, only 3% of them went to Black women, and I was one of them. Unfortunately, this number has stayed about the same since I graduated. These statistics are much smaller for Native American women and slightly higher for Latinas and Asian women. But even for those of us who do graduate, 1 in 4 women will leave the engineering profession within their first 5 years. Many women of color choose to switch fields because of isolation and lack of support. While there have been many efforts to get more women of color interested in STEM from a young age, many are still slipping through the cracks. There is still a lack of awareness of the opportunities within STEM to motivate women of color to obtain STEM degrees. And the lack of support and empathy for women of color drives many to switch their major or choose a different career. In our current system, women of color in STEM are set up to fail. A solution is needed to provide the adequate support that women of color need to succeed in STEM. BioGals is a nonprofit organization dedicated to the success of women of color in STEM and empowering them to create sustainable solutions through our 4 main initiatives. Our team researches what makes women of color in STEM succeed. So far, using neuroimaging technology and surveying members of a village in Belize, we have found that women of color can provide more effective solutions when working with other communities of color due to empathy. There is a unique niche that women of color can fill when working on engineering projects in communities of color. BioGals provides academic support for students through unique research experiences led by faculty of color. We also provide global visibility for women of color to complete engineering projects abroad, exposing them to the many opportunities that engineering can bring, while also exposing the communities to the valuable skills that women of color possess. The key component to our solution is creating a network of women of color and allied STEM professionals to mentor students and early career professionals. BioGals primarily focuses on providing support for students entering college and all the way through the early career stage. This will encourage women of color to stay the course and provide them with the skills and confidence they need to succeed. There are several organizations that focus on helping underrepresented students excel in STEM, but they mostly focus on college students and do not provide the necessary mentorship for high schoolers entering college or early career professionals. We could only find one organization that serves women of color in STEM specifically, but that organization does not provide the unique mentoring, research, and study abroad opportunities that BioGals does. Our business model plan is to receive funding through membership fees, study abroad program fees, partnerships with communities abroad, and philanthropy organizations. We have also raised $2,421 through our GoFundMe campaign. This funding will be used to purchase equipment and housing needs for study abroad and research experiences, as well as stipends for mentors, scholarships for students, and funding for BioGals employees. We have 106 followers on our Facebook page, 77 followers on Twitter, and 51 followers on Instagram. Our current research project allows students to travel to Belize to design and build a biodigester to convert food waste into a sustainable cooking fuel. So far, we have had 6 U.S. undergraduate and graduate students travel to Belize, and 7 Belizean girls have been mentored through the project. Most recently, we have been contacted by a jewelry manufacturer in Uganda to build a biodigester for their facility. Our diverse team of academics and professionals represent various fields within STEM and allows our team to add multiple perspectives and innovative solutions to the world's most pressing challenges. I urge you to support the mission of BioGals and the success of women of color in STEM, not only because it is the right thing to do, but because it is necessary for the United States competitiveness to innovate our future. Please contact us to get involved. Thank you.